Hello guys, welcome back to Enable Website Design. In this video, I will show you how fast you can generate a WordPress contact form code using ChatGPT. Here you can see I have a simple contact form. So if you want to add additional fields, and also you can replace existing fields. So for example, I don't need here subject field, and I want to add phone number field and some additional fields. So let me go, and after that I can go in contact form here. Then let me edit this contact form 7. So I can copy this code, and here I can go. Please add new fields in this contact form. Phone, company, change, submit, button text to send now, and then add the code here. So within few seconds you will get a new code that you can easily copy and add there. So now I can copy, and here I can go and then simply replace this code. Then click on save button. So now let's go back and reload this page. So guys, here you can see within few seconds we got a new code from ChatGPT. So this is a contact form 7. That is the best and powerful plugin to create any type of contact form in WordPress website.